Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabrielle Nicole, for y'all that don't know me. And today I am going to be doing like a spring makeup tutorial. So yeah, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going in with a fluffy brush, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna go in with this pink shade first, and this will just like be my transition shade. I did already prime my eyes. Okay, and then going in, I'm going to start with this light purple shade right here, and I'm just going to use the same blending brush or fluffy brush, whatever, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. Okay, so now that I have done that, I'm going to go through with this dark purple shade in here with the same brush. Okay, and I'm just going to take some more of that and just keep building it up. Okay, so basically I'm just blending this out now. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with this Smashbox Smoke Box, and I'm going to use the purple shade in here, and I don't have a name for it, but it's right here. I'm just going to grab that color with the same fluffy brush. And then add just a little more and repeat it. And then I'm pretty sure you know the drill. Just keep blending. Okay, so now that I've got it where I want it, I'm going to go through with some concealer and cut this crease. Okay, so I'm just going to go through with my Wet n Wild concealer and then a brush like this, and I'm just going to do a half cut crease. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this on my brush and cut it out. Okay, so now that I have done that, I'm going to go in with this Orglamix Pure Mineral Eyeshadow in the color Mint Julep. I just got this and I'm so excited about it. I saw a fellow YouTuber use it and I was like, I have to get that. I have to. So I got it. So I'm going to take some of this. So I just took some of it and I just put it in the lid. And then I'm going to go through with a flat shader brush like this. And then I'm going to apply that where I just cut the crease. I mean, can we talk about how pretty this is? This is exactly why I had to have it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that fluffy brush that I used and I'm going to take a little bit more of that purple color and I'm just going to kind of like mix this in together. And then of course blend out as I go. Okay, and now I'm just going to take a clean flat shader brush and I'm just going to pat right in between here so there's not any harsh line. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then I will be back so we can finish this vlog. Okay, so now that I've gone through and done that, I'm going to go through with the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm just going to take this shade right here, which is called Pool Party, and I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I am just going to be putting that on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna be honest, I thought that color would match a little bit better, but I kind of like the fact that it doesn't, because it's like right there in your face. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna apply some eyeliner and some mascara and I will be back. Okay, so now that I've put some eyeliner and mascara on, I think what I want to do is take this NYX Studio liner, and this is Extreme Gold. And I think I'm just going to, I'm being brave here. I hope I don't ruin this look while doing this, but I just thought it would be really cute. Pray for me, y'all. I need it. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to take this and go a little bit above my crease, like where I had put the, go right above where I put that Mint Julep color. So, oh dear God, okay. So far so good, okay. Your girl did that. Now, the other eye. So I got that one, but that one's a little more thick. So I'll just thicken up the other side. You guys, I did it. Oh, I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Let's go in with this. This is Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Highlight, pretty much. And what shade is this? I can't remember. Oh, this is Prosecco Pop. So I'm gonna go through with this because I feel like this is a nice like gold color. And so I'm gonna take this brush right here. This one is very gold and very shimmery. I really like it. But it's not like too much because I don't want like, I don't know. I feel like there's a lot going on in my eyes right now, so I don't want to. And then I'm gonna on my nose. Boop. And a little on my upper lip. And you know, I did not highlight my inner corners yet, so I'm gonna go in with the clean flat shaded brush, and I'm gonna use this as my inner corner highlight as well. Okay, so now I think I'm just gonna go through with this Trestique pencil in Nantucket New. I feel like you have to say that in a country accent just because it's the word Nantucket. Nantucket, you know what I'm saying? That's cute. That's so cute. Alright, you guys, and this is our finished look. I really like it. I feel so proud of myself with my gold liner. Okay, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.